Hello. Today again I have come with a story of the worldliness, the society around us. I was transferred from Delhi to Allahabad, and before moving to Allahabad from Delhi, I had transferred all my papers, bank accounts, house papers, whatsoever was necessary to the address of the Allahabad. Just ATM was remaining. I could not get it renewed or could not apply for that. I reached Allahabad, somehow arranging the house, arranging the office. I just passed 4-5 months. And while arranging everything, I just realized that I haven't applied for renewal of the ATM. So I just was thinking that when should I go? And one day suddenly I was returning from somewhere in the hot afternoon, and I don't know why I thought, and I just stopped at the bank to get my ATM renewed. There I reached a table which was showed to me by the guard, and I got the answer. The man who deals the matter is absent today, madam. So I asked the person that who is the next man, at least receive my application so that something will be done in my absence. I'll be gone submitting the application. There is no next man, madam. Okay, I was astonished. Then the branch manager will be there. Answer came, he is not there today. So helplessly I was saying that, is the office headless today? Or nobody will look after the matters? There was some sarcasm in my voice. Someone thought something inside the bank and hinted to me that the assistant manager is sitting there. You can go and submit your papers there. I picked up my papers and reached the seat of the assistant manager. I told him, I have spent 15 minutes here like that and nobody is receiving my papers. I don't know where should I go. After my repeated and vehement requests, the answer came that what should I do? I said, you are asking me what should you do? I have come from Delhi to Allahabad on my transfer and I have to get my ATM renewed. Somehow I myself am delayed, but nobody is receiving my papers even here. How will it continue and how long it will continue? I was getting irritated now. At least tell me the person who can receive these papers. He said that there is no branch manager today. But in a second he said, he has just arrived, madam. Branch manager has arrived. See, he is going inside the chamber. Please meet him. He can do something. I thought in my mind that this man has got rid of me. I got up and walked towards the branch manager's chamber, deliberately taking some time, and so the man gets some time. I didn't know in what state of mind he was after supporting my time taking. I was just moving very slowly and I reached the branch manager's cabin. Branch manager was very busy. 3 or 4 men were surrounding him, and some were talking about some files and some were taking the files. Other were doing something. Some were advising them to sign something. And very quickly he was moving here and there. I also stood in the same crowd. He looked at me and said, madam, what's it? I said, there is no one in your office today. I have to get my ATM renewed. I just want to submit my papers. At least get my papers, sir. He said, not today, madam. It will not happen today. I said, why, sir? I just want to submit the papers. I don't want you to do anything today. But he said, today it will not happen, madam, because it is not possible for me. And he moved into the side room with other people. There was someone standing in the crowd who told me that the mother of the branch manager had died 3-4 days ago. I was humbled in sense that I was thinking it was the wrong time for me to reach over there. But I was just thinking to what to do, what not to do, and then the branch manager returned there. And he looked at me and said, "Madam, you are still here?" I said, "What's the objection in it, sir? I have come for some work to you, and nobody in your office is entertaining me. That's why I am here." I was trying to be as polite as possible and control my anger at any cost. Still he was saying, "It will not happen today, madam. I have told you. Why don't you understand?" Now it was the borderline for me. I reached my peak and I told him, "Mr. Branch Manager, you will be in trouble." I don't want to say it still. He told me, "Madam, you are not listening. I tell you that it will not happen today." I then slowly reiterated, "Mr. Branch Manager, you will be in trouble." I was trying to keep my voice as soft as possible. And I quietly picked up my papers and left the bank. After reaching office, I did the first thing in my office that I opened the internet and wrote to everybody in that bank, from grievance cell to this cell to that cell to head office and the regional office and the central office, and everywhere I wrote. I was in such anger. And I wrote that I don't want any ATM from you, but I want a personal apology from the branch manager, because this branch manager doesn't know how to talk to the customers. He doesn't even know that how to wish or pass a smile. You won't trust people that within 2 hours I started getting the calls and mails from the higher offices, and I think I went to the bank by 1 or 2 p.m., but by 4:30 p.m. I had started getting the answers from those people. And a call came from the bank itself. The man was telling, "Are you in your office, madam?" I said, "Yes, I am in my office. We want to come to give you the ATM which is issued in your name." I said, "I don't want any ATM from you now." They still said, "Madam, you are there, we are coming." I said, "Okay, please come." When they came with the ATM card and a register to get my signature. And I repeated my request that I don't want any ATM from you. But they said, our confidential. What must be happening to the people who don't understand? I'm just thinking about the general public. This is the world we are living in. Bye. Till we meet again.